How to get elevate story on back on Instagram. So first open the Instagram app, then click on the profile icon, then click on the three line option, then you show option the elevate, then click on it, then you show the story like all story 1 years ago and show the story and click on it. You want to like stories, then like this, then you show the option like highlight and three dots. So click again and your story will show you, and save the video and share the story like this story icon, and create the story your story option, and your story is successfully updated. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.